Hi students, as we all know, rainy season started. We can see many types of fish. Can you make fish? I can. Come on, let's make some. Material required. We need craft paper. You can take any color craft paper. Marker we need. Pencil, scissor, scale, Fevicol. Come, let's start the work. Now, you have to take a square of any color. You can take craft paper or you can take tinted paper. After taking a square, you are going to fold that square and you are going to make a triangle. See that your folding should be very accurate. After folding in this way, you will get a center line. Fold the paper and after that, you are going to take, with the help of scale, you are going to take a measurement of 5 centimeter and you are going to mark it here with the help of pencil. Marking of 5 centimeter. After that, you are going to draw one line from 5 centimeter to the end part in this way. After that, you are going to take, on the same line, you are going to take a marking of 1 centimeter with the help of scale. Mark it with the pencil 1 centimeter in this way. Go on marking. Your marking should be neatly dark so that you will not make any mistake. The same way, opposite side on the top, you are going to mark 1 centimeter. Same way here also upside 1 centimeter marking. The corner in this way. And then you are going to join that points. Join the markings where you have taken 1 centimeter marking with the help of scale. Join them in this way. If you want more big, you can take 2 centimeter also, but it will become small. So these strips will help you to look your fish more beautiful. If you want 2 centimeter, you can take 2 centimeter or you can take 1 centimeter only. How much big fish you want, that much big square you are going to take so that your fish will become bigger. In this way, we are going to mark all the dotted lines. See, that line should be this way. And then after that, go on marking till the end part. After that, with the help of scissor, we are going to cut the strips. The line which we have drawn with the pencil, we are going to cut that line in this way. See that while using scissor, be careful. You are going to take help of your parents, or slowly you are going to use the scissor or cutter. Don't play with this. On the line, you are going to cut that one. All the strips you are going to cut slowly, neatly. In this way. Slowly we will. Last part, if you want, you can cut the strips or you can keep as it is. If you want as it is, you can keep it as it is, or you can cut the strips also. No problem. I am keeping as it is. Now, open this part. Open it slowly. It will become like this. Now, what you are going to do, this middle line you can see, this center line. Better you can draw with the scale. If you can't see, you can draw with the help of scale. The center line. Now what you are going to do, from here you are going to take strip, you are going to paste it here in this way. So first we are going to apply the Fevicol there. From here we are going to paste the strips. You can paste it with glue, or you can paste it with that glue gun also. The same way this side also you can take it, and same one by one they will come each side. On the center line only you have to paste all the strips. Both the side strips you are going to come one by one. In this way, sequentially you will go. Don't paste in between. Both the sides one by one you are going to go slowly and neatly. Don't press the strips in here in the middle, otherwise it will not look nice. In this way, go on pasting the strips till end, where we are going to make the tail also of the fish. Again put the Fevicol both the sides. Till here we are going to paste that. Your pasting should be very neatly and slowly you are going to go. On the line only you are going to paste the strips. If you have any different types of design of the fish, you can do that also. This is the easy way I am showing you. In this one you can add your ideas also. In this way you will go on pasting the strips. It will take little time, but the work will be very nice. You can hang this fish on the walls. It will be one decorative part. In this way, till here I am going to paste the strips. Something different I am going to make. In this way, till here I am going to make the strips. You can paste all till the end part, but I am going to make my fish till here only. After that, we are going to make two eyes with the white paper. Cut two eyes. If you have googly eyes, you can use googly eyes, or you can cut with the paper, and you can use this also. I am going to use this eyes. With the help of Fevicol, I am going to paste it here. Same way. In this way, you are going to paste the eyes. Now, after that, you are going to cut this part for the mouth, or you can cut a triangle and you can paste on that one, so that the mouth of the fish will be opened. Or you can cut this way. In this way, a little cut will be there, and then fold this one opposite side. Opposite side you can fold it, both the sides. With the help of marker, you are going to draw the eyeballs. In this way. If you want, you can decorate here also. If you want, you can make a roll of a paper and you can put it here also. If you want other decoration for the tail, you can do by your own. And after that, you can make different types of fish. Now you can see this one, prawns, like prawns. See this fish. Many types of fish you can make it, and you can enjoy and you can play with this one. And see, our fishes are ready. You can decorate that one. You can paste it on the wall, or you can hang the fish in the kitchen room also. In this way, you can decorate your wall. Thank you.